10th ఇంటర్ డిగ్రీ పాస్ ఆర్ ఫెయిల్ తక్కువ వ్యవధిలో లైఫ్ సెటిల్మెంట్ ఇన్ అబ్రాడ్ కొరకు హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ అంటే ట్వంటీ కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్.
Hello everyone, myself Deepika. So we are solving the questions on time and distance. Okay, so manaki time and distance lo mainly, so what is the formula for distance and what is the formula for time and what is the formula for speed? First we have to know these three formulas. Okay, based on these questions only we can solve this total time and distance problems. Okay, distance equal to speed into time. So based on these three values only we are solving all the questions. Okay, distance equal to speed into time. So distance I am indicating with D and speed I am denoting with S and time I am indicating with T. Okay, we know that distance equal to speed into time. First I am writing all. What is meant by distance formula, and second one is speed. What is the speed formula? And next third one is what is the formula for time. Based on the single equation we are writing all this. Okay, distance equal to speed into time, that is S into T. Next distance D. Next speed with S and time with T. Okay, speed equal to how much? If distance equal to, see here, distance equal to speed into time means what is the speed? Speed equal to this time I am sending to left hand side, that is distance by time, D by T. Next we want only time. It means from this I am sending this speed to the left hand side, that is distance by S. మీకు ఈ ఒక్క ఫార్ములా వస్తే ఈ త్రీ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అనేది ఈజీగా చేయగలరు. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ let us move to the first question. What is the question? Two men start together to walk a certain distance, one at 4 km per hour and another at 3 km per hour. So the former arrives half an hour before the latter and find the distance. What he is saying? He is discussing about the two persons, that is person A and person B. There are two persons. They both are traveling to the same distance. They are going to, suppose this is their destination point. They started from here and they have to reach this point. Okay, here B also same. B is starting from this point and he is also reaching the same station or same place. They both are starting from the same place and they have to reach the same place only. So but he given they're traveling with the different speeds. A is traveling with 4 km per hour and B is with 3 km per hour. I am writing the A speed. What is the A speed? 4 km per hour. Next, what is the B speed? 3 km per hour. Okay, what he is saying? The former arrives half an hour before the latter. చూడండి, ఏ యొక్క స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అంటే ఫాస్ట్గా రీచ్ అవుతాడు కదా, అవునా? See here, the speed is very high of A then compared to B. So that's why A is reaching early this point. So B is reaching this point lately. So before reaching B, A is reaching the station half an hour before, half an hour earlyగా తన స్టేషన్ ని రీచ్ చేయాలి, half an hour. What he is asking? Find the distance. What is the actual distance from here to here? Okay, how can you solve this question? First I will explain this question in traditional method. What is the traditional method? Method 1, that is traditional method. Traditional method. First, what is the formula for distance? Distance equal to speed into time. But what we have to given? He given the speeds. Okay, speed he given and time he given. What is the time? Half an hour he given. So it means time equal to distance by speed. This is the formula, isn't it? Time equal to distance by speed. What is the distance? Distance is same in both cases. So that's why what is the time he given? 1/2 is equal to distance means same. I am writing same by, otherwise write down clearly. This is A and this is B. The difference between A and B he given is half an hour, isn't it? Half an hour. So what is the A's time? A equal to distance by speed. Distance equal to how much? Distance is common by, what is the speed for A? 4. Next, minus B also reaching the same distance. He is also traveling the same distance by, what is the speed of B? That is 3. So D is common from both. I am taking D is common, that equal to 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. Or you can take, this is difference, not minus. This is difference only, equal to 1 by 2. That equal to how much we are getting? 1 by 12. D equal to, what is the difference? 1 by 12 equal to 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. What is the distance? 6 kilometers is the distance we are getting. 6 kilometers. So this is the traditional method we are getting. What is the shortcut method for this question? I will explain. Okay. First, I am writing A speed 4 km per hour. Next, B speed is 3 km per hour. And what is the time difference he given? Half an hour. Time T is a half an hour. First, what is the formula? Distance equal to speed into time. So, what is the relation between speed and time? Inversely proportionality. The relation between speed and time is they both are inversely proportional to each other. How I am saying? See here. So, distance by T equal to S, isn't it? What is the relation here? They both are inversely proportional. So, speed is inversely proportional to time. Okay. He given the speeds. This is nothing but speeds only. These are speeds. First, writing the speed. This is the speed. And this is the time. Speed of A and speed of B. What is the A speed? 4. And what is the B speed? 3. If the speed is 4:3 ratio, what about the time? This is the inversely proportional to. That means, so this is just inversely proportional. 4:3 is become as 3:4. Just the proportionality gets inversed. What is the difference between time? See here, this is the time. The difference between the time he given is half an hour. That is, what is the difference here? One part is half an hour. What we have to find? So we can calculate any one part, that is for 3 or 4. So anyone you can do the calculation. For 3 parts, how many we are getting? 3 into 1 by 2. So 3 by 2. Okay. What is the time? Time. What is the unit? Hours. 3 by 2 hours. What is the formula for distance? Distance equal to speed into time, isn't it? Speed into time. We got the time as, this is the time. We got the time as 3 by 2. In place of time, I am writing 3 by 2. Then what about the speed? What is the speed of A? 4 parts. So, I am writing 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So, even though we are getting 6 kilometers. What is the distance? 6 kilometers. So, మనం ఈ టైం అనేది దీంతో అయినా చేయొచ్చు, దీంతో అయినా చేయొచ్చు. ఏతో తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ మనం 3 ఇంటూ ఇది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే మనకు ఏ యొక్క టైం వచ్చింది. ఒకవేళ బి యొక్క టైం రావాలంటే ఎలా చేస్తాము? 4 ఇంటూ this 1 by 2. 4 into 1 by 2 how much? 2 only. ఈ 2 అనేది ఏంటి? జస్ట్ టైం. కానీ మనకి డిస్టెన్స్ కావాలంటే ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? స్పీడ్ ఇంటూ టైం కదా. సో డిస్టెన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు బి యొక్క స్పీడ్ ఎంత? 3 కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ది స్పీడ్? B యొక్క speed is 3 into what is the time we are getting? 2. So that equal to 2 is 6 kilometers. So మనం A తో చేసిన B తో చేసిన కూడా distance అనేది సేమ్ వస్తుంది, ఎందుకంటే they both are traveling the same distance. Okay. Next, similar question. A and B travel the same distance at a speed of 9 km per hour and 10 km per hour respectively. If A takes 36 minutes, see this question. In the previous question, we got half an hour. He given the time in hours, but we got this question in minutes. So you have to observe this point. Okay. More than B, the distance traveled by each is. Same question and same model. I am doing in shortcut method only. For A, there is 9 km per hour. This is the speed. This is the speed. Next, B, what is the speed we have? 10 km per hour. Okay. చూడండి, ఏ కంటే బి స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది అంటే బి అనే పర్సనే కదా తొందరగా మనకు పాయింట్ అనేది రీచ్ అవుతాడు. ఓకే, ఎంత ఎర్లీగా రీచ్ అయ్యాడు అంటే 30 minutes ఎర్లీగా. కానీ మనకు టైం అనేది అవర్స్లో కావాలి, నాట్ ఇన్ మినిట్స్. సో టైం ఈక్వల్ టు 30 minutes కదా, 36 minutes. దీన్ని అవర్స్లోకి ఎలా కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాము? దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 36/60 hours. మినిట్స్ టు అవర్స్ అనేది మనం కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. దట్ ఈస్ 6 6 6 10 2 3 2 5. So what is the time we are getting? 3/5 hours. So this is very important. Okay, next what we have to find? Same method. మనకి ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? స్పీడ్స్ ఇచ్చాడు అంటే what is the relation between speed and time? Speed is inversely proportional to time. He given the speeds ratio. See here I am writing A is to B. Okay, speed, what is the first? I am writing the speed. What is the speed we have? 9 is to, what is the B speed? 10. So what about the time? We are writing about the time. So speed is inversely proportional to time. So that's why if the speed ratio is 9 is to 10, what about the time ratio? 10 is to 9. Just reversing the fraction. What is the difference he given? This is the time. What is the time difference we got? 3/5 hours. So it means one part is 3/5 hours. But we have to find at least any one. Is it from A or either for B? B's time or A's time? Any one you can calculate. I am calculating the A's time. So that is A is 10 parts. So that's why 10 into 3/5 hours. 3/5 hours. 5 ones are 5 twos. That equal to 6 hours. This is the only time. We have to find the distance. So what is the formula for distance? Distance equal to speed into time. So for I have calculated the time for A. So that I have to calculate the same speed of the A only, not B. Okay. That is, what is the speed? A speed 9 into, what is the time we are getting? 6 hours. That equal to 54 kilometers. Distance కాబట్టి units అనేది kilometers లోనే వస్తుంది. So in this way we have to find the distance and speed questions. If you want, you can try with B. What is the procedure? This 9 into 3/5. After that you have to multiply with 10. So you will get the answer as same answer. If you want, I am writing for B. For B, what is the time? 9 into 3/5. What is the speed we have? Into 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. That is nothing but 9 6 are 54. Both are same. We will get the same answer. Okay, so this is about the distance and speed questions. If you like this class, please like, share and subscribe this channel. So మీకు ఇలాంటి షార్ట్ కట్స్ ఇంకా నేర్చుకోవాలని ఎవరైతే అనుకుంటున్నారో, సో మనము మ్యాథ్స్లో అర్థమెటిక్ పైన ఆన్లైన్ క్లాస్ అనేది కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళు కింద స్క్రోల్ అవుతున్న నెంబర్కి కాల్ చేయండి. సో ఈ వీడియోలో ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే కింద కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.